Last call echoes through the crowd. People grabbing jackets, stumbling out. Lights come up, DJ kills the sound. After midnight, yeah, the end is near. Broke a heel dancing, had to take off my shoes. Lost my phone twice, blamed it on the booze. Bathroom line was torture, someone's lying on the floor. But we're laughing now, harder than ever before. The night air hits us as we stumble outside. Mascara smudged from the heat of the lights. Someone shouts Denny's and we all agree. After midnight, that's the place to be. After midnight, the party slows down, swagger fades out. As we start to come down, Uber's coming, and we're losing our minds. Every messy moment, proof that we're alive. After midnight, the world goes dark, city lights dim. As the rush wears off, we're exhausted, but we're still alive. Yeah, the best stories happen after midnight. Uber pulls up and we tumble inside, laughing at all the selfies posted tonight. Someone finds a phone in another girl's purse. Someone's flirting with the driver, too buzzed to care. Booth lights glowing like a warm embrace. Fries on the table, glitter clinging to our face. We replay the chaos like a highlight reel. After midnight, everything feels right. After midnight, the party slows down, swagger fades out. As we start to come down, Uber's coming, and we're losing our minds. Every messy moment, proof that we're alive. After midnight, the world goes dark, city lights dim. As the rush wears off, we're exhausted, but we're still alive. Yeah, the best stories happen after midnight. We'll forget the songs, but remember the glow, the glitter, the chaos, the friends we know. These are the nights we'll miss someday. Time with my girls that will never fade. After midnight, the party slows down, swagger fades out. As we start to come down, Uber's coming, and we're losing our minds. Every messy moment, proof that we're alive. After midnight, the world goes dark, city lights dim. As the rush wears off, we're exhausted, but we're still alive. Yeah, the best stories happen after midnight. After midnight, the noise fades away. Uber pulls up, it's time to go home. Shoes in our hands, still buzzing from the night. One by one, the girls say goodnight. After midnight, I breathe again. Yeah, this is how the best nights end.